Let's look at exercise 6M, and from viewing it, tell me if there is any of those questions that we would or you would like me to do on the board with you. All right, so let me share again. Let me share. I think we're just gonna be using this. So, any question there? So from 1 up to 28, is there any question that you would like us to look at? Look through them.
Sir, 26.
26. All right, let's look at 26. Okay, give me a minute to write it out, and then I will stop sharing for while we work it out. So 3x over 7 equals 1 over 2. Okay? So let me stop the sharing. Okay? So that's the question there. I hope you can see it. 3x over 7 equals 1 over 2. Can you see it? All right. So you have a fraction equal a fraction. Whenever this happens, you have two choices. You can either multiply both sides by the LCM, or you can cross multiply. Talk to me.
LCM.
LCM, all right. So let's multiply both sides by LCM. Now, what's the LCM for this one?
14.
14. LCM for this one is 14. So I'll say 14 times 3x over 7 equals 14 times 1 over 2. Okay? Let's cancel. 7 into 7, 1. 7 into 14, 2. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 14, 7.
7.
So 2 times 3x is 6x.
6x.
And 7 times 1 is 7.
7.
Yes, everybody with me?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
How do we get rid of a coefficient? Because this says 6 times x. How do we get rid of that coefficient? How do we get rid of that 6?
Sir, x equals to 1 higher times 6 by
No,
x.
how do we get rid of the 6? What is the opposite of multiplying by 6, Mr. Pitts?
Dividing, sir.
So we will divide both sides by 6. So we'll see 6x over 6 equals 7 over 6. Alright? So the 6 will cancel. And so x is equal to 7 over 6. Yes? Then we can
Yes,
do
sir.
our check.
Sir, add in here, get 1 and 1, 6.
So I'll substitute 7, 6 for x. So I'll say 3 times 7 over 6. 7 should give me a half. 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 6, 2.
2.
So this is saying, alright, this is saying 7 over 2 divided by 7 equals a half. Alright? But when we divide, division can also be multiplication. Because remember, this is like saying 7 over 1, and that's a fraction. Whenever we divide by a fraction, we change division to multiplication and we invert. So the 7 over 1 becomes 1/7. And hence we cancel. And so what do we get? Half equals a half. And hence I am correct.
Sir,